Hello guys, welcome to Ashley Shemaine. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do your own gel nails at home during quarantine. So this is what I wanted to try. It's called Impress. Into the video. Prime my nails. So all I'm going to do is size them up. So let's take a look inside. And it's a new ultra fit design, slimmer yet stronger. So I wanted to try the new Impress press-on manicure nails. It comes with 30 nails including 6 accents. So first you want to align the tab aside with the cuticle, and then follow important steps. You want to clean with the enclosed prep pad, peel off and press on. So as you can see here, I will be doing this on my own. So I'm like, why not do a video? So it does come with a cuticle pusher. Don't miss the prep pad. This is step 1. It comes with steps. So you have the cuticle pusher, step 1. And then it has a file as well. As you can see here, that comes in the kit. So helpful tips: always apply both thumbnails last. Nail features pressure sensitive adhesive. The more firmly you press down, the stronger the adhesive will be, resulting in longer wear. If you're in between two sizes, choose the smaller size. Prep pad and mini file included. Nails can be filed to desired length and shape after application. So it do give you directions for removal. So removal: gentle peel off from side or dab. Polish remover between natural nail and impressed nails. Wait 1 minute, peel off if needed. Use manicure stick to help in removal. So it do give you instructions as well. So step 1, use enclosed prep pad to thoroughly cleanse nail, removing any remaining soap or residue. 2, peel off clear back to reveal adhesive. Step 3, align nails with cuticle. Remember, place tab side at cuticle. 4, press down firmly, starting in the middle, then firmly on each side, left to right. Just buffing with the file. This is very convenient because everything comes in this one little box. So I'm back. I'm going to proceed with step 1. So I'm going to wipe my nails with this prep pad. See here, you can see this little plastic adhesive on the back of each nail. So all you have to do is just size it up. If you don't know which nail goes which, you just refer back to this paper. I'm gonna find a thumb. So it says size it up first. And it also says make the thumb the last one when you doing your So this is what it looks like. It really looks like your natural nails. So just make sure it's sized up. So I have my thumb here. So I do have this. I think I want to put this one. Use these and see if they'll go on my ring finger. Yes, that goes on my ring finger, as you can see here. So I'm gonna try to find me. So I have my thumb. On a pinky. Perfect. So I have my pinky, ring finger. So let's do this one. Let's see if that one works too small. Let's try this one. Perfect. Or it goes this way. Let's see. Okay, let's see here. So when you sizing up, the tip goes down. You see this little flap? It goes down this way, not up this way. Okay, so I'm gonna turn all these downward, as you can see here. Now I'm gonna try pointer finger as well. I think I want one on my pointer finger, so the tip ones go down. So this is a perfect fit. So with my design, I want the two accent on my middle finger, my ring finger, and my pointer finger. So I'll be back and I'll finish the other sides in them as well. Hello guys, I'm back. So I have sized up my fingers, and let's start putting them on. So they did say put your thumbs last. So let's start with the pinky. Hello guys, I'm back. So here are the finished look of the press-ons, as you can see here. And I want to jazz them up with some jewels. Hello guys, I'm back. So here are the jewels I'm going to jazz up my press-on nails. So keep watching. I also want to use my regular clear polish for the jewels to stick on. So I want to put green and purple. You know my favorite color is purple, so I'm going to see. So I'm going to put the jewels on my to try to pick it up, the jewel up, which it do work. This a little trick I learned. Then I'm gonna go over that with some clear polish. I'm gonna take my wooden stick and go around the edges. Hope I can try. So here's my little accent on my boss nail. Then I'm going to put the other accent, like purple, on my pointer finger here. So same step, I just use clear polish, and then I also use clear polish to pick up the jewel on the wooden stick, the cuticle pusher, and that's how I pick it up. So that's a little trick I learned as doing my own at-home nails at home. Hello guys, I am back. So this is the finished look. I am going to put some cuticle oil on my nails. This is the finished look. I'm so happy. So purchase some cuticle oil from the local Dollar Tree. On my cuticles, so they won't be. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.